Hello YouTube, Red Rock Rancher here. We got a quick little video here for a little progress on the ranch house, what we've been doing over the summer. We've been slowly working on the logs, restoring them. We have to sand them all down and reseal them. Hasn't been done in many years, as you can see. The sun is very strong and powerful up in the mountains where we're located. So what we got to do is sand all the logs down painstakingly, all by hand. First we pressure washed everything, cleaned it all up, and then started sanding, cleaning all the logs piece by piece. As you can see, as the sanding progressed, it turned out to a beautiful wood color. Then we went around and sealed all the cracks, re-chinked everything and sealed everything in the wood so no water could penetrate. And once all that was done, we sealed everything up with a special sealer. Gives it that beautiful honey brown color, and it's waterproof. It's a Bear product. Pretty expensive, but it's supposed to be great, and we'll probably have to put that on every few years, maybe up to 5, the tech said. And here we are, we got all hands on deck, sanding everything down. The bottom foundation with the logs are sitting on, there's some foam insulation that was on there. We're taking some of that off because we're going to be building a wraparound patio deck on the south facing wall, and that's all going to tie in, and we're going to be tying off of that foundation. But yeah, enjoy the video. And we're going to be we milled some new siding for the top. That was all taken down due to woodpeckers, ravenous little beasts. That one peak that you just saw there, that was left because we're just going to sand that one. Only has a couple little imperfections due to the woodpeckers, but all the other siding on the walls had there was holes in it, and it was just decimated. So that one side right there with that peak, we're going to sand that down and just reseal it. Everything else is going to have to be milled. We have some new milled wood that we're going to be putting up next summer. And yeah, enjoy the video, YouTube.